Welcome to Kids Rocket Washing Machine Toy Tumble
PC edition.
And let's meet our contenders. Imaginext Bane,
Lego Batman,
Imaginext Flash,
Lego Robin,
Lego Penguin,
Imaginext Robin,
Imaginext Superman,
Imaginext Wonder Woman,
Lego Shazam,
Lego Two-Face,
Lego Joker, and finally,
Krypto the Superdog.
and the washing machine's on its spin cycle. Who will be the first one to fall down? Our contenders are all looking nervous. Who do you think's going to win on this one?
Krypto.
Okay, put a thumbs up if you think Krypto's going to win. I think it's going to be a baddie. I think perhaps Bane. Superman looking very stern there. Nobody knows what Bane is thinking underneath that mask. He knows that his sheer brute force will not stand a chance in this game.
Batman is wobbling a little bit.
Little wobble from Batman there. The washing machine has not even got underway.
Batman's down, Wonder Woman.
We're still in the early stages of the spin here. Wonder Woman poised and focused. The Flash knowing speed is not an element in this game. Now has the Joker got something up his sleeve? Is he going to cheat? Oh, a little wobble from Batman at the back there. Robin smiling his way through this. Keeping cheerful, keeping a positive mental attitude. Oh, a good wobble there. Oh, Batman's down! Robin's down! Joker, Shazam, the Lego are down, only two. Oh!
Wonder Woman.
The Imaginext character's doing very well here.
Got one Imaginext has a fell.
And the washing machine's going in for high spin. Oh, it's a big wobble here. Oh!
Flash, Bane,
And Two-Face.
and
Three people in it now. Superman's down. Just Robin and Krypto left. As the washing machine pauses, there's nothing moving.
I hope Krypto's gonna win.
I think you may be right here. Maybe Krypto. Oh, Robin's moving very fast there. Oh, Robin's down. We have our winner. Krypto won. There you have it, boys and girls. There's our winners. Superman in third place, Robin taking second place, and the out-and-out winner, Krypto the Superdog. Let's see if we can get a few words from our winner. So, Krypto, you won the washing machine toy tumble. Do you have any quick words to say to our fans out there?
What?
There you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see any more videos.
And ring that bell.